So we're less than 10 kilometers to the port of Dumaguete. No? ETA is 136. Makuha pa kaya yung ticket na alas 2. So we've been trading this Navara 4x4 also. Baka going Dipolog dito. Okay. The driver is an excellent driver also, just like me. We're just benefiting from his expertise. Daming construction. So they have to rush this kasi malapit na election. What is the implication there?
Secret. Sumitomo Hitachi.
Fast cut. Dapat ticketing office tayo because yun yung protocol nila. Unlike sa Bacolod, Iloilo Bacolod, they have a cashier.
First come first, ano sila? First in, first out.
Ganun lang sila.
Because they have a lot of
May regular pumapasok. Yan may logic na.
So there's adequate supply, so it's the passengers who toe the line. Dito naman kasi you only have very limited supply of Roro.
Meaning, ano ibig sabihin nun?
Meaning you only have like 2 o'clock and then you have a 6 o'clock. So it's the Roro's market. Maghahabol itong mga vehicles to get their tickets.
Sa pickup kasi, sa all pickups, ito yung the strongest, hindi naman strongest kasi hindi naman siya ganun ka-sturdy compared with yung Toyota, but the fastest is Navara. Kasi Navara is parang 10 speed din siya, just like yung bagong model ng Everest.